Seagrass is so important for the Indian River Lagoon and the estuaries. It's a critical habitat for not only manatees, but everything. Here we propagate the seagrass. We try to put it into units and plant it out back in the Indian River where there used to be seagrass. It's a critical habitat for hundreds and hundreds of little fish species and crabs and oysters. The water quality has really caused a lot of death of the seagrass over these years. So we need to restore it and replant it into our system.